Friends, in this video we will see the second part of the Play with Firecracker challenge. As you know, in the previous video we have seen that I'm not using the 2.8 Hog Rider motor deck. In this video I'm using, in this challenge I'm using a different deck which includes Firecracker, obviously. Okay, let's see. In the last video we have seen the match with Adrian. Now we continue from there. Let's see another balloon deck. What do we play? Okay. Opponent puts the executioner in the left lane. We put our knight in the right lane. We put our firecracker and royal ghost to stop the executioner. Knight hits the right tower 2 times. We send the Hog Rider. We place the bomb tower. Balloon comes. We put our firecracker to stop the balloon. Only the death damage will kill. And we put our royal ghost, kills the EVs and attacks the tower. As you see, royal ghost is a very good card. And we will put our mega knight on top of the wizard. Mega knight kills the firecracker and jumps on the tower and gives a massive amount of damage. Opponent uses the lumberjack, but the mega knight finishes the tower. We use our bomb tower to stop lumberjack. We again use our firecracker. Come on, firecracker. Yes. And she dies again to the death damage of the balloon. Opponent uses the Inferno Tower. We wait. Knight is coming from the left lane. We use our arrows and jump directly on top of the wizard. We use our bomb tower. Oh no. Yes. Very good. Evis comes down. We use our royal ghost. We use our firecracker and fireball to destroy the balloon. We use our bomb tower. Yes, very nice. And we put our mega knight in the pocket, and mega knight attacks the tower. However, the match ends. As you see, friends, this deck is very effective. Now, let's jump into another match. And in this match, we will face with another mega knight. Yes. We are facing Fan Matteo from Sparta Scouts. He uses the lumberjack. We use our mega knight on top of the lumberjack. I think he misplayed or something like that. And here I also misplay. Why do you put the firecracker just near the Mega Knight. Place it far away. And another, in fact, misplay by me. I should have put the bomb tower one tile forward. The opponent uses the elixir collector. We directly fireball it, and we send our royal ghost. Opponent puts the executioner down to stop the royal ghost and puts down the lumberjack. We use our Mega Knight on top of the executioner, and Mega Knight destroys the lumberjack. This time we put our firecracker in the right place, but I think we are a little bit late. Opponent uses his arrows to destroy our firecracker, but we will use our arrows to destroy his Mega Knight and firecracker. We use our royal ghost to attack. He again uses his executioner. Come on, royal ghost, finish him. No, executioner finishes our royal ghost. What do we do now? We put our bomb tower. We send our hog rider. He uses the EVs. We fireball the elixir collector to not let him gain excessive amount of elixir advantage. He uses his rocket. I think this is not a good play. Yeah, two Mega Knights jumped on each other and a strange thing happened. His Mega Knight wins the match against our Mega Knight, but we have the bomb tower. Yes. Destroy it, bomb tower. Yes. And we use our hog rider and send a fireball, and hog hits 3 times at least. What do we do now? We use our Mega Knight. Mega Knight firecracker is a very effective combo, my friends. He uses the lumberjack. This time our firecracker turns to left lane and destroys. And hero. The firecracker is a hero. After that, after destroying the lumberjack, she turned to the right lane and destroyed the EVs. Very, very good. Very good. And we continue our way on the firecracker challenge. Let's see what can we do against a Tesla Tower and Ram Rider deck. Okay. Appo Sin, I couldn't read it exactly. Okay, we use our knight on the left lane. Opponent uses the Tesla Tower. Knight advances slowly ahead the left lane. And Mega Minion comes towards our knight. We use our fireball, hit the Mega Minion and the tower. Opponent uses the Ram Rider. We use our bomb tower. Come on, bomb tower. Come on. Yeah, we had to use our Mega Knight. We use our firecracker. Yes, very good firecracker. Destroy the Tesla Tower, please. Yes. Come on. Very good. Very good. We send our hog rider. Hog rider makes 2 hits on the tower. But now we use our royal ghost. Yes. Go, royal ghost. Come on, man. Come on, go on. Yeah, the opponent uses the Ram Rider, but our bomb tower will stop it completely. Yes. And royal ghost hits the left tower. Okay, what will we do now? Opponent uses the firecracker in the right lane, puts a Tesla down. Yeah, firecracker hits our knight and jumps back. Oh, it's such an annoying card if you don't have counters. Yes, go on firecracker, and our firecracker works on the ram rider very effectively. We sent our royal ghost to the left lane. The left tower has very low health. Yes. Come on, firecracker, destroy the ram rider. Yes, very good. Yes. We put our royal ghost to the left lane. And fog and royal ghost both are on the left tower and tower destroyed. Very good. As you can see, this deck is OP, friends, and I suggest you to use this deck in Firecracker Challenge. Play with Firecracker. Yes. In this match, let's watch it. Bogdan has completely destroyed us, friends. Let's watch it and see our mistakes. Bogdan 04 Budjav Lebak clan. Okay, we put our royal ghost in the left lane. Opponent uses the executioner. We send our hog rider to the right lane, and the mega knight jumps on our hog rider. And what do we play now? What to do? We put our mega knight. The opponent sends the miner to the right lane and gets chip damage from our right tower. Okay, we use our firecracker. Come on, firecracker, come on. Yes, in fact we have done a good amount of damage up to now, but things will change, as you will see. What do we play? We just eat the damage, do nothing. And Bogdan waits and leaks elixir. Sends the executioner. I think you will understand. You understood what he's planning to do. Yes, I should have played my bomb tower or another card here. As you see, this is another mistake by me. Come on, bomb tower, it's not working very well. And miner comes down and destructs the firecracker. In fact, we should have destroyed the Inferno Dragon. We put our royal ghost to the right lane, but we put Mega Knight on directly top of it. What now? What can you do? Miner again destructs our firecracker. Firecracker should have easily destroyed the Inferno Dragon. Nothing. We don't have any tanky unit in front of our firecracker. He uses the miner, and I think miner was the key element in his victory. And he played very well. Good game. Why are you crying, man? Bogdan, I didn't understand. Okay. And after this match, we face with another balloon deck. Let's watch it. Vicente Bachelet Forever clan. Okay. We use our royal ghosts. With this deck, I think you can play the royal ghost safely as an opening play. We destroy the birds, minions. We put our firecracker. Yes. Come on, knight. In fact, it was not a very clean defense, but anyway. Come on, firecracker. Oh, they both cancelled each other. Come on, Hog Rider. Come on. Yes, he used the lumberjack. Lumberjack balloon combo. It's so frightening, friends. We couldn't stop the lumberjack. It destroyed the bomb tower. However, our firecracker stops the balloon. No. We use our Hog Rider and he uses the minions on top of our Hog Rider, and he also placed the lumberjack, but the lumberjack hits our tower 2 times. This time we use our royal ghost at the breach. Yes, very good. Come on. Yes, we take the right tower. However, we lose some health on the right tower. Again, the balloon is coming. We use our bomb tower. Where is our arrows? No, then we use our firecracker. Very good, it was an effective defense. Come on, firecracker. Yeah, Mega Knight firecracker. Go on. Look at the damage, friends. Look at the damage. It's really incredible. Yes. Opponent uses lumberjack. We put our knight immediately. Okay, we win the match. As you see, I'm happy. I think Vicente got angry about the loss. Okay, with that victory, I think we have completed the play with a firecracker challenge. As you can see, I've completed the challenge. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you have comments, don't hesitate, please give them, and I will try to answer or do whatever you wish me to do. Okay, hope to see you soon. Bye.